Oh wow, look at that. Hamza, how do you feel about this painting? What do you do? Excellent. Yes, correct. When you do painting, right, you gotta do it like slowly. Nice clouds, right? Yes, correct. You need to have layers of clouds. Kind of like just like scrub it around, give it a shape. Yes, correct. That's the way you do it. Yeah, correct. So go below the thing. Yes, that's right. Yeah, scrub it in. Like different colors and whatnot. Later on, we will do a one part called a highlight part. So the highlight part is going to be really fun. You're really going to enjoy that part. Okay. Yep, scrub right below it. So we want to show the different colors that are in the clouds. So some clouds are bright, some clouds are dark, right? That's what. Yep, just tap the edge. Yes, correct. Okay. Go below. You see, you're going too much on top. So if you go too much on top, then the colors will be whatever. Don't scrub it. Okay. Very good. Okay, now let's go back to the red cloud. Yeah, now do the red cloud. Do from here, this section. Just come in with your imagination, see where the cloud is. Yes, tap, 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 tap. Very good. It's okay. Nice. Alright. So Hamza is now drawing the line of the road. And this is what it looks like. So now we're painting the road. Okay.
It's not road.
Well, yeah. Remember to keep within the lines. Okay, do it very carefully and very slowly. Right, because we need it nice and slow. Okay. We need more paint, buddy, because this is not it. Yeah, that kind of blue. That's right. Alright, so you got a road in place. So now we're going to do the forest part. Hamza is going to do the coloring for the forest. Okay, let's go. Tap it all in. Tap it up, tap it all. No, please don't do like that. My brush. Jeez. Okay. Okay.
I'm making it dark for you. What's it?
Very smart. Right, Robert.
You get this type of color. You want this type of color.
That's what I'm talking about. Great. Fantastic. Excellent. Okay, tap the white areas. I've already gone over that. Just tap the white areas.
Can you please stop doing?
Use Mr. Tappy Tap Tap. So here we are going to apply the darker shades. Oh, don't make your brush horizontal, right? Always keep it like this, vertical. So it kind of looks like plants, right? You need some more paint. Get it, make it a bit darker. Oh, that's too much. Just gentle dots. Yep, perfect.
I need the brush to be.
Never mind, you gotta twirl it. So when you brush your brush becomes a bit weird like that. You gotta just touch it a bit like that. See? Touch it, drag it out, like wiggle it, and then rotate it. See? So now you got a sharp point, right? That's what you want. Just tap it. Just nice. Yes. Woo! Starry night. Okay, so we have finished the green colored bushes, the forest, and now the last step is siren head. Okay, so what's going on today is that we are adding the final touches to our siren head painting, and Hamza is working there with a liner brush. A very thin brush, this is. Is there any more lines? I think there should be it, right? Yep. They all must go in one direction, it will be random. We'll flick it. Yeah, flick it up. Good. Oh, beautiful. That is